Carburation, carburetor system. The carburation is the process of mixing petrol, fuel, and air in the correct proportion so that complete combustion can occur in an internal combustion engine. It takes place during the intake or induction stroke for burning to occur. There must be enough petrol. The mixture must be correctly proportioned. Of a carburetor. A carburetor performs the following key functions: controls the quality and proportion of petrol and air entering the engine cylinder, controls engine power output and speed by regulating the amount of mixture supplied. Number 3. Another function of a carburetor is that it atomizes petrol into a fine spray of very small droplets so that it easily vaporizes or it forms a uniform combustible mixture. Characteristics of a good carburetor. For a carburetor to function effectively, it must: number 1, atomize fuel properly. In short, petrol must be broken down into a very fine spray to ensure complete mixing with air under different engine speeds and load conditions. The second characteristic of a good carburetor is that it provides the correct air-fuel mixture for all operating conditions, including cold starting, idling, acceleration, full load operation, while maintaining maximum fuel economy. The third characteristic of a good carburetor is that it allows smooth idling, whereby no flat spots or hesitation when the throttle is opened. Another fourth characteristic of a good carburetor: be adjustable to suit different climatic conditions. It must meet low exhaust emission regulations to help protect environment. An important consideration for fuel and air ratio is the proportion of fuel and air is considered in terms of mass, but not volume. This is because mass remains constant, while volume changes with temperature changes, pressure changes, altitude, atmospheric conditions. Air and petrol expand or contract with temperature, affecting volume, but not mass.